Hello, this is Robert, and today we're going to talk about page speed and why it's important for your SEO strategy, and it's also important for your visitors. Now, what is page speed? Page speed is how long it takes your website to load and how long it takes for it to even show something on the first page. Why is this important to Google? Well, we live in a fast food society where we want everything instant, and pages that take more than 3 seconds to load tend to have a higher bounce back rate. Have you ever hit a website before and it's taking a long time to load and you just click the back button? Well, if your website's slow, visitors could be doing the same thing to yours. So, what's a good way to test for page speed? Well, there's a great website called Page Speed Insights. And we'll go here and we'll do a speed test, and I'll explain some of the things for you. So let's try my website here. And as you can see, my website has a 69 out of a score of 100 for the mobile, and if we go over to desktop, it has a 96 out of 100. Mobile is harder to rank for speed because it's having to be on a smaller phone. It's having to some processors on phones aren't as strong, so it's looking for a lot scaled down content. But it does give you a breakdown what can help you rank better on the phone. Now, 69 might not seem that great, but really, I haven't really noticed much of a ranking factor unless your website's running lower than like 15. So really, if your website's above like 20 or even if you're close to 30, you're doing pretty good. So if your website's doing below those numbers, I would say if it's 30 or below, I would at least try to rank it and get it up to 30 and start making changes. So this is a great tool to help you optimize your website. Some things that can help you fix your website would be plugins for WordPress, and also checking your plugins to see if you got any that are slowing it down. It could be your server. It could be all sorts of things. It could be you need better image compression. But this is a great tool to start working on speeding up your site. And what I like to do is, like, if I'm working on a WordPress site, I'll turn off the plugin, I'll rerun the speed test, see if it makes a difference. And sometimes you'll see one that makes a huge difference, and that can be your plugin that's causing your problems. So anyways, this is just a little overview on Page Speed Insights, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and y'all have a good day.